Good evening. Today, out theorem, SEE, out theorem, question number 24 for class 10. So, it is related to quadrilateral and midpoint theorem. The question is as follows: PQRS is a quadrilateral. Any quadrilateral, A, B, C, D are the midpoints of PQ, PS, RS and QR respectively. Prove that the area of quadrilateral QDSB, QDSB and area of AQCS are equal. AQCS are equal. Then what points are, what is given and what is to find? This is the question, and the students have to write down in this way. So what is the given condition? First, this is the whole given condition. The whole question is this. First of all, let me write down the given condition. The given condition is this. The given condition is, as you have to, the students have to write down the figure, like see, P Q R S is any quadrilateral. A is the midpoint of PQ, B of PS, C of RS and D of QR. This is the given condition. This is the question. Students don't need to write down, and students have to write down question number 24. Draw the diagram and write down given condition. The given condition is this. A, B, C, D are the midpoints. What to prove? What is to prove? Given QB is joined, QC is also joined, D is joined to S, and another A is joined to S. AQCS, QDSP are equal in area. What is given? Given condition is the same as the question. Question मा जे दिएको छ त्यही कुरा given मा लेख्ने. For example, PQRS is a quadrilateral as given. A, B, C, D are the midpoints of what? Midpoints of PQ, PS, RS and QR respectively. This is the given condition. The given condition is this. Whole figure सार्ने, given लेख्ने, given पछि यो सारेर given पछि to prove लेख्ने. To prove. What is to prove? To prove is area of quadrilateral. AQCS equal area of quadrilateral QDSB. QDSB QDSB यो प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने. AQ area of AQCS is equal to area of QDSB. To prove construction. For this you need construction. यसमा construction किन गर्नु परेको होला? यो होल फिगर फेरि बनाउन गाह्रो हुनु भएको है. construction यसरी जोड्दियौ. AB QS DC. यो किन जोडियो त? In class 9 you learn one thing. Can you remember the midpoint theorem? The midpoint theorem छ. यसको corollary हेर्दिछु. ABC is a triangle AB midpoint D, AC midpoint E, and if you join this, it is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC and half of BC. The line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. It means they are parallel. AB is parallel to QS and DC is also parallel to QS. So AB and QDC are equal and parallel. Both are equal and AQ is already joined. So use the midpoint theorem. नेपालीमा पढ्नेहरूलाई के बुझ्नु पर्यो भने त्रिभुजका कुनै दुई भुजाहरूको मध्यबिन्दु जोड्ने रेखा, दुईटा भुजा छन् एबी र एसी को मध्यबिन्दु डी र ई हो। यो जोड्ने रेखा जुन डी छ त्यो चाहिँ तेस्रो भुजा बीसी सँग समानान्तर हुन्छ र आधा हुन्छ। इंग्लिशमा the line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. This यही कुरा चाहिँ यसमा लगाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ। त्यसरी त्यो लगाउनुको लागि AB QS DC are joined. AB QS and DC are joined. But why? Why joined? For the proof. Proof को लागि चाहिँ हामीले जोइन गर्नु परेको हो। प्रुफ यो हो। अब यसको अब construction after construction proof PROF proof. प्रुफ को लागि हामीले यो फिगर यता बनाउनु पर्ने भएको हुनाले यसलाई म फेरि मेट्दिन्छु। प्रुफ को लागि of proof. Draw the diagram as this. Any quadrilateral. The name of the quadrilateral is PQ. Yes, PQRS. Quadrilateral भयो। यसको midpoint A, B, C, D. Midpoint भयो। हामीले प्रुभ गर्ने AQCS। अब कुन कुन जोडेको छ हामीले जोड्नु पर्दा अब यसलाई यसरी राख्छु हेरौँ। AQCS भनेपछि हामीले के जोड्नु त यो जोड्नु पर्यो, AB जोड्नु पर्यो, DC जोइन AQCS। AQCS भनेपछि यो जोड्नु पर्यो AQCS, यो जोड्नु पर्यो। और QDSB, QD जोडेको छ, QDSB भनेपछि यो र यो पनि जोड्नु पर्यो। यसरी जोडेका छौं। प्रुफ को लागि facts and reasons. Fact number 1. Fact number 1, directly using the midpoint theorem, you can prove that AB is parallel to QS and AB is half of QS. Or it is not necessary to show half of QS because AB and CD are equal. AB and DC are equal. AB is half of QS and parallel to QS. In the same way, DC equal half of QS and DC is parallel to QS. Directly using the midpoint theorem, you can write using the midpoint theorem. That means the line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. In triangle PQS मा A र B midpoint हो भनेपछि AB चाहिँ QS सँग प्यारलल हुन्छ र हाफ हुन्छ। त्यसैगरी QRS मा DC parallel to QS and half of QS. Midpoint theorem हामीले लगाइदियौ। अब it means अब यो QS AB all parallel हो। अब हामी कुन parallel हो from this AB is parallel to QS is parallel to DC from facts 1 and 2. AB is parallel to QS. DC is parallel to QS. So AB, QS and DC are all parallel. Number 4, your triangle लिँदा QS parallel QS पर्ने गरी लिने. QS पर्ने triangle AQS BQS. Triangle AQS equal triangle BQS. Why? Triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. Same parallel, हेर्नु त AB र QS parallel. AB is parallel to QS. So triangle AQS equal triangle BQS. In the same way, AQS means triangle CQS equal triangle CQD. Yeah. अब हामीले के देखाउनु पर्छ? AQS अब BQS बाट देखाउने. AQS equal BQS हुन्छ भने AQS BQS. अब यहीसँग योसँग आइतापट्टि हामीले के देखाउनु पर्छ? CQS र DQS. यतापट्टि CQS, यतापट्टि DQS. फेरि हेरौँ. QS DC भनेपछि CQS DQS. Reason question number 5 reason 4. That means triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal. First, so triangle AQS equal BQS. 4. 5 number triangle AQS BQS. यता CQS र DQS. अब यसरी हामीले जोड्ने. AQS सँग CQS, BQS सँग DQS. Adding fact 1 to 4 and 5, triangle AQS plus triangle CQS equal triangle BQS plus triangle DQS. Addition axiom. हामीले के गर्नु छ भन्दा यहाँ लेख्ने तरिका AQS सँग CQS जोड्ने. किन यो AQS यो ट्रायंगलमा यतापट्टि जोड्ने. यता लेफ्टपट्टि छ भने यता राइटपट्टि, यतापट्टि BQS यो ट्रायंगलमा DQS यतापट्टि जोड्ने. यो क्वाड्रिलेटरलको लागि. So adding facts 4 and 5. Now I am going to run for question number 7. Last is यसलाई म गर्दिन्छु. अब यहाँनिर हेरौँ. Fact number 7. In fact number हेरौँ त. Triangle AQS र CQS. AQS plus CQS. AQS CQS भनेपछि के भयो? यो ट्रायंगल plus quadrilateral AQCS. Quadrilateral AQCS equal quadrilateral यहाँ पे triangle BQS, triangle DQS, triangle BQS यो DQS यो triangle plus यो triangle. Two triangles equal one quadrilateral. So quadrilateral QDSP. QDSB from fact 6. What is this called? Whole parts axiom. From whole parts axiom. First of all, again quick revision. PQRS is a quadrilateral. ABCD are the midpoints of PQ, PS, RS and QR. To prove quadrilateral AQCS equal quadrilateral QDSB. Construction AB, QS and DC are joined, and apply the midpoint theorem. The midpoint theorem is the line joining the midpoints of two sides is parallel to the third side and half of it. That means AB, QS and DC are parallel. QS सँग AB and QS are parallel. So QS base हुने गरी AQS triangle DQS. Again QS and DC triangle QDS. QS पर्ने गरी QSD QSC. So AQS सँग CQS, BQS सँग DQS. Question number 4-5. Add the two triangles. By adding two triangles like AQS plus CQS means quadrilateral AQCS. Triangle BQS plus triangle DQS is quadrilateral QDSB proved. यसको लागि बुझ्नुपर्ने apply the midpoint theorem. Therefore quadrilateral AQCS यो के देख्यो, this quadrilateral, यो quadrilateral is equal to QDSB, this quadrilateral. Apply the midpoint theorem and you can use triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal. Add the two triangles. Add कसरी गर्ने भन्दा triangle मिलेर हामीलाई चाहिएको AQCS कसरी पर्छ त्यो यहाँनेरि फ्याक्ट नम्बर 4-5 मा दिएको छ. 6 नम्बरमा adding the triangles, 7 नम्बरमा quadrilateral equal quadrilateral. In this way quadrilateral AQCS equal quadrilateral QDSB QED, quote Iraq demonstrandum or proved. This much for today. Please comment if you have any problems, you can ask me. This much for today. Thank you.